So because our experiments with the cookies, the chocolate chip cookies and the brownies went so well, we thought maybe we'd try to make
sugar cookies.
So this should be fun, and we even have little shapes, so we're going to try to make little shapes with them.
Yeah, 2 little snowflakes, an angel, and a gingerbread.
So we'll see how that goes, and we've got these little sprinkles, so yeah, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so this recipe, it just says easy sugar cookies, so hopefully it's easy.
Hopefully. Okay, so now we have 2 and
3/4 cups of flour.
It seems like a lot of flour, but this is going to be spread out through all the cookies, so
1 teaspoon baking soda.
we just put that in.
Okay.
Make sure you get all of it. And now 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So we just pour that in. Again, make sure you get all of it.
Okay, so now we're gonna stir the flour, baking soda, and baking powder, and then set that aside. So Michelle's the stirrer, so she'll be stirring that.
Okay.
Okay, you also need 1 cup of softened butter, and of course I didn't remember to take it out, so I'm softening it in warm water, so hopefully that works okay. Okay, so the butter is definitely softened, some might even say mushy. So we're gonna mix that together with the sugar together in a bowl. Okay, 1.5 cups sugar. That seems like a lot of sugar, but they are called sugar cookies, so we're gonna mix the sugar in with the butter. It says to cream the sugar and the butter together. Pour it all in. It's all gotta go in.
Okay.
Okay, so you can mix that for a while.
All right.
And she's already mixed the flour and baking soda and baking powder. All right.
It's taken a little while, but it's getting more of a creamy texture.
So she's mixing the sugar and the butter together, and then we're gonna add in the vanilla and egg.
Okay. It's an exercise.
Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that smells really good.
Okay, after the vanilla, 1 egg. Now we're gonna mix in the vanilla and the egg with the sugar and butter.
Okay.
Okay, and then after that's all mixed up, then we're gonna add the bowl of dry ingredients to there and mix it all up.
Yay.
So Michelle's still mixing.
I think it's all done. It's gotten much creamier after the eggs and vanilla were added, so that's good.
Okay, and then we're gonna add in the dry stuff. Now for the pan, they say an ungreased cookie pan, so I'm not greasing it, so hopefully they don't stick.
That's kind of weird, but maybe it's right.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix it all together to make the cookie dough. Okay, carefully pour into the bowl. Okay, it might be hard to stir. I can help you. You can try, and then I can just... Okay, so we've mixed it up. It still seems awfully dry and crumbly, but it says to form into balls and put on the cookie sheet, so we're gonna do that, and we're also gonna try to make some shapes. So, not sure how it's gonna go, but we're gonna try. So preheat the oven to 375. Okay, so we made the sugar cookies. It didn't exactly go smoothly because we were trying to make shapes and we were trying to put decorations on and they weren't sticking, and anyway, long story short, it was a bit of a nightmare. But we did make some cookie shapes, and we've also got some just regular ball cookies. But I didn't realize the recipe said it makes 4 dozen. 48 cookies. I did not know that. I should have paid attention to the quantity when I was making the recipe, but I didn't. So we still have more dough left over because we can't fit any more than this. So anyways, but at least they're done, and we're going to put them in the oven. Preheat to 375? Yeah, 375 for 8 minutes. So yeah. So here are our cookies. So yeah, we've got some shapes, we've got some snowflakes and angels and gingerbread men and candy canes, and then just the balls. But yeah, the decorations I got weren't sticking, and yeah, just didn't quite turn out the way I expected, but that's okay. We tried a little bit of dough and it does taste delicious, so I
Yeah,
think they're
it
still
really-
gonna taste good.
It really tastes good.
But yeah, that's a lot of cookies. So we'll make this and then we'll have to make these another time. All right. Okay, the oven's preheated. I'll put them in. And hope for the best. Okay, well it says 8 to 10 minutes, so that's 8 minutes, and they don't look anywhere near ready, so I'm gonna do them a couple more minutes for the 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now. I don't know, Michelle, what do you think? Should I take them out and hope that they just harden? I don't know if they look ready or not. What do you think?
Well, I think they can. Actually, I think you should let them cook for another minute.
Okay. Okay, well, it's been another minute and they're still looking, I don't know. So I'm gonna take them out and see how they look on the bottom, maybe leave them a bit longer, or I don't know. Okay, so yeah, they're pretty brown on the bottom, so I don't want them to burn. I'm gonna just leave it as it is, but yeah, they're chubby. They're pretty thick. They're not like flat sugar cookies, but oh well, we'll see how they taste after. Okay, so they're done. I mean, they don't exactly look like Martha Stewart or anything, but yeah, they're all right. Okay, which one do you want?
The big one. Okay, I'm gonna try this one first.
Cheers.
They're extremely crunchy, which
Very
I
crunchy.
don't exactly like in a cookie.
They're good, but yeah, very crunchy. I maybe should have taken them out sooner. I just didn't think they would cook because they look so fat, but maybe the walnuts will be better. They won't cook as much.
Yeah. Okay. Very squishy top.
Okay. I like this one better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
But
is
all in all,
squishy.
good. Not as good as the brownies and the chocolate chip, but still good. Okay. Bye for now.
I'm so pleased. Bye. This is so good.